I'm Tiffany Wibben, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. We've been exploring ways to enhance our practice and improve patient care, so today I want to talk about something that could be a total game changer for how you communicate with patients: intraoral cameras. These tiny yet mighty tools can completely transform the way your patients see their oral health and understand their treatment needs. And the best part? They make your job easier while building trust and engagement with your patients. Let's start with why intraoral cameras are so impactful. Imagine this scenario. You're explaining to a patient that they have a cracked tooth or a cavity that needs attention. They nod along, but you can tell they're not fully grasping what you're saying. Now picture being able to show them a clear, up-close image of the exact issue. Suddenly, it's not an abstract concept anymore. It's right there on the screen, undeniable and easy to understand. This ability to visualize their own oral health issues is incredibly powerful and can make the difference between a patient who hesitates and one who takes action. Another benefit of using intraoral cameras is the opportunity to document and share images of problem areas even before the dentist has stepped into the room. Hygienists can highlight areas of concern during cleanings, giving patients an early look at what's happening in their mouths. This not only saves time for the dentist, but also sets the stage for a more collaborative and transparent conversation. For instance, when the dentist comes in, patients already have a visual reference and a better understanding of what the dentist will explain. It's like connecting the dots for them in real time. Now, I know that some patients can feel overwhelmed when we talk about treatment plans, whether it's financial concerns, fear of procedures, or just not fully understanding what's needed. That's where intraoral cameras truly shine. By showing patients clear, high-quality images of their specific issues, you're not just telling them a story, you're showing them the evidence. It adds a layer of credibility and helps them feel involved in their care. This transparency builds trust and leads to higher acceptance rates for treatment plans. When patients can see what you see, they're much more likely to understand the urgency and importance of addressing issues. Using intraoral cameras also sends a message about the quality of care your practice provides. It shows patients that you're invested in using the latest technology to give them the best experience possible. Plus, the images themselves can be used to track progress over time, allowing both you and your patients to see tangible improvements. For example, if a patient has gum inflammation and you document it with a camera, you can show them the positive changes after treatment. This creates a sense of accomplishment for them and reinforces the value of their visits. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to summarize the key benefits of utilizing intraoral cameras. First, they help patients visualize their oral health needs, making your explanations more concrete and accessible. Second, these cameras allow for early identification and discussion of problem areas, setting the tone for efficient and informed exams with the dentist. Third, they boost patient understanding and trust, leading to increased acceptance and recommended treatments. And finally, they demonstrate your practice's commitment to advanced care, and that can serve as a huge benefit for patients. If you haven't already, I encourage you to incorporate intraoral cameras into your workflow. They're not just another gadget, they're a bridge that connects you and your patients on a deeper level. Start small if you need to. Experiment with capturing images during a cleaning or showing a patient one area of concern. You'll be amazed at how quickly this technology can elevate your practice and strengthen your patient relationships. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, the better we communicate with our patients, the more empowered they feel to take control of their oral health. Keep making a difference out there, and I'll see you next time.